What's up, 3D artists? This is my third video, and I can say the second part of the mailbox modeling tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna create some textures and give it to my model. After that, I will create some animations for it and post it on YouTube and in Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow my Instagram page. I'll be happy to continue this process and create models and animations for you. Let's go for the video.
So in this part, I'm gonna give some materials to it. First of all, I need to select my object and go to the shading tab. Then select new to open a new material tab. Now we will have principal BSDF here, but I need to add some image textures to it to give it more detailed textures. First of all, I'm gonna press Shift A, go to the search and search for image texture. After that, I can easily choose my image texture. There's a point here, we need to understand that which one matches each part of the principal BSDF. After that, I'm gonna select diffuse image and connect it to base color. Now you can see that we have the base color here. It's not correct right now, and then we need to go to UV editing and press A to select all surfaces, and then click on U and choose Smart UV Project. After that, we have the correct UV map, and you can see that our UV map is correct. Now I'm gonna duplicate the image texture and choose another part of my image textures. Now I'm gonna choose the roughness picture and give it to the roughness. Then you can see that some parts are more rough and some parts are not. Then duplicate this again and go for another texture. Maybe this one is bump. So this one is displacement texture, and I'm gonna give it to displacement. So after that, you can see that it becomes much more bumpy. Now to zoom in and show it to you, you can understand the difference. Duplicate the texture again. Now we need to add another texture. I'm gonna use normal texture and give it to normal. It just controls the bump. Now you can see that some parts are not that much bumpy. To give textures to our bolts, we can select new, or we can go to material tab and select new there. Then we can select principal and change it to glossy BSDF. Now it gives us this metallic texture and it's default. Now we need to select this column thing and do the same as the thing that I've done at first. Each part has got its own material. We need to select metallic image and give it to metallic part of principal BSDF. Give diffuse or base color to base color in principal BSDF. Give roughness and rough textures to roughness of the principal BSDF, and also other parts are as the same as others. But don't forget to check the UV map to correct it, because it ruins your texture if you don't check it. So take it serious. There's a difference in this part. After duplicating the image texture and finding your bump texture, you need something to convert your bump texture to select it and give it to normal, because you cannot give the image texture to the normal without converting it to bump texture. So I'm gonna select the color part and give it to height, and also select the normal and give it to normal. Now it's kind of bumpy column or bark or something, and that's nicer than the first texture that I've given to this column part. To give textures to other bolts, you need to just select the material tab and choose the texture that I've chosen for the last bolts, and then you can easily copy the materials. So the rest of it is repetitive, and you understood how to give textures to your mesh, so you're gonna repeat the process again and again. Choose image textures, give it to each part that it's needed, and select the photos correctly. Thank you for supporting my YouTube channel and my Instagram page. If you don't have my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and also like my videos and leave comments. And I'll be happy if you follow my Instagram and share my videos to your friends. I'm gonna animate it and post it on YouTube channel and Instagram channel. Thank you for supporting me. Have a nice time and bye bye.